in the Ghana Stock Exchange offer a unique opportunity to participate in the growth and development of the Ghana economy. Whether you are a seasonal investor or a beginner, understanding how to invest in the GES or the Ghana Stock Exchange can help you make informed decisions and potentially grow your wealth. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to start investing in the Ghana Stock Exchange, from opening a security account to selecting stock and managing your investment. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of the process and the confidence to begin your investment journey. Hi, my name is Seth. In this video, we are going to look at how to invest in Ghana Stock Exchange. I'll walk you through all the steps that you need to know to pass through to start investing in Ghana Stock Exchange. So make sure you watch this video to the end to understand everything before you invest in Ghana Stock Exchange. If you're interested in such content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, because I made video on how to grow your wealth to make money online. So let's take you to the screen. To invest in Ghana Stock Exchange, there are requirements that you need to make sure you have before you can invest in Ghana Stock Exchange. The one thing is a broker account. Before you can invest, you need to make sure you have a broker account, and through that you know how you get started to know the kind of company that you want to invest in. So first off, make sure you have a broker account. It is a security account that helps you leverage know how your investment is going through. The next one is to have a CSD account. Before you can invest in any of the companies on the GA stock, you need to have the CSD account. So the CSD is someone or a gentleman between you and your investment, so it holds and facilitates your trading on that company that you invested in. So before you can go, these are the two main account or requirement that you need to make sure you have before you get in or jump in into trading in the Ghana Stock Exchange. And we have some things that you need to understand before you get, or you need to know. First one is to make sure you have your investment goals. Why the goals are for you to get into the platform or to get into a company to invest in. So if you have that goals, that goal that taking you to the risk tolerance and stuff, so then you cannot invest in that company. And the next thing is to understand the market, to know how the market is trending, what is going on in the market, what is trending in the market. Do company research. You search about a company. Let's say I want to invest in MTN or buy shares on MTN, then I need to make sure I research about MTN, how the MTN company is growing. I need to make sure I know the risks involved in investing in MTN shares or any other company that I want to invest. There are some benefits that you get if you invest in any of the companies in Ghana Stock. Long-term growth. Okay, so if you buy a share on a company and you go for a long-term project, buy that share for today, you buy it at let's say 20 cedis, then the company starts growing. Let's take MTN for example. MTN, they open their platform for people to buy shares on their platform. That time, that is 2018, the one share was 75 pesos. So as we are talking now, the one share from MTN is more than 2 cedis. That's 2 cedis, 40 pesos. So when you bought that share at that time and you sell it at this time, you make a profit for you. And the next one is ownership. If you buy a share from a company, you become the owner of the same company. Okay, so when board of directors and other stars are going for meeting, they can invite you to, because you are now a shareholder on that company. You can use that one to get more opportunity from attending meetings and stuff. It's what dividend. Okay, most companies at times or some years or 2 years, they share dividend counts or the interest or the benefit that they have generated from the shares they sell to people. Okay, so when you buy shares, and at times they start giving you dividend because you bought shares and they use that money to do some project and stuff, so they have made the money from it, so they have a percentage that they will share for you. So you have your own share there that you have not touch it, but you still want to earn commission. That's the dividend from or interest from what the shares that you have bought. That one also is a very good opportunity to earn from the shares. Okay, and the last one is increase in the shares price. So that one, it looks similar to the first one. That's what long-term growth. So you buy shares or you buy share for today as 2 cedis, you can sell it for, let's say, 5 cedis or more at the near future. Okay, so that one will help you increase your financial growth on any shots that you take part. Before you jump into it, you need to have, first I said, you need to have a broker account, someone who will stand in between you and the company. Okay, so that one, upon my research and stuff, I have a company that can assist you to get that account. Okay, so this company that I'm talking about, they don't sponsor my video. I just found out, and I want you to also take part to help you grow your wealth. So we have IC Wealth. IC Wealth is a platform or a broker account platform that help us to create an app. So when you come to this platform like this, so this is my account here. They have an app, and also they have the website also. So I'm using the website here. So this is the IC where your investment your way. Okay, so this platform helps you to know those platforms that are on Ghana Stock Exchange. If you look at the Ghana Stock Exchange, it has 37 companies that are out under the Ghana Stock Exchange, and you can go in and invest in. And we have all those companies on this platform. That's the IC Wealth platform. If you look at the IC Wealth, you go in and you create your account, register, type in your email address, your password, verify your account and start. So before you can get in, so I will take a time and create a video about the IC Wealth, how you can register, how you can operate it and stuff. So today is part 1 of investment in Ghana Stock Exchange. Okay, so if you come here, we have some companies here. Okay, we have the companies, we have their face income, we have their histories. So if you look at here, we have those companies here. We have AADS, their price, and then you can see their growth. Okay, see here 3-month performance, you see their performance. We have the Access Bank. Okay, their performance, as we are talking at 3 months now, their performance is what they are increasing. Okay, so this platform helps you know the growth of other platform, know the growth of the company, and how you can also what invest in those companies. If you look at here, you will see the prices. Okay, we have ADB here. Their price, one share of ADB is what 5.06 Ghana cedis. Okay, and we have a lot of stars here, public one that you can join in or you can buy shares from. We have GCB also here, Ghana Commercial Bank. Okay, 3 months now, they are also growing, and we have a lot. If you come here, we have MTN Ghana. Now MTN Ghana sells one shares as 2 cedi 40 pesos. Go to this side, this is their growth also. What MTN also is growing, and start to buy shares on any of these companies. You need to make sure you read about their growing. The next video I'll show you how to buy NTS. So this one I introduce you to the platform. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.